Hi guys, just going to do a quick oil change and oil filter change on the Triumph Tiger. So it's my daily work commuter basically, but yeah, it's due one, so I'm going to quickly just drop that out. But while I've got the cameras and it's an excuse to have a play around with it, so gone for a genuine Triumph oil filter and Castrol 10W40 oil. It's around 4 litres it takes, so that's plenty there. But yeah, it's due an oil change. I did the air filter a few weeks ago, so that has been changed. It was dirty. While doing that, I also put the Unifilter pre-filter on, which yeah, it's been recommended, especially with going off-road. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to get into it.